In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect boards in Monday.com. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to link boards together so your information stays organized, connected, and easy to manage across your workspace. Let's start on a board you already have open in Monday.com. Look at the top of your board where all your columns are displayed. On the far right side, you'll see a small plus icon. This is where you add new columns. Go ahead and click that plus icon. A menu will appear with different column types you can add. From that list, choose the option called Connect Boards. This is the special column type that allows you to link one board to another, so selecting it is the key first step in building those connections. Once you select Connect Boards, a panel or window will open, showing you a list of your existing boards. Take a moment to look through this list and find the specific board you want to link to the one you have open. This might be a projects board, a clients board, a tasks board, or any other board that holds related information. Click on the name of the board you want to connect. When you confirm that choice, Monday.com will add a new Connect Boards column to your current board, ready for you to start linking items. Now that your boards are connected, it's time to link individual items between them. In your new Connect Boards column, choose a row you want to connect and click into the empty cell in that column. When you do, a panel will appear showing items from the board you just linked. These are the specific entries you can associate with that row. Select the item or items that match the row you're working on. For example, you might link a task on your main board to a specific project on another board, or match a client name with their detailed record on a separate board. Once you select the correct items, they will appear right inside that cell as clickable links. From now on, anytime you click one of those linked items, you'll be taken directly to it on the connected board. This keeps related information tied together without needing to duplicate data, and it helps your team see relationships between boards at a glance. You can repeat this process for any row where you want to build a connection, and you can always return to a cell to add or remove linked items as your work evolves. That's all you need to connect boards in Monday.com using this simple three-step method.